Good Thursday morning, YouTube. Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Duluth, Georgia today. This is a rental. It's a 5-area job. As you can see, we got some spots. Customer just tried to get us to give her a quote-unquote better deal, but I explained to her, she has 5 areas. It's $40 per area, so it'll be $200, even though she has several spots. As you can see, there's a bleach spot. It's like they had something trying to clean it with bleach. Not successful. There's a little black spot over there. I don't know where these things are. And neither do they, because there's obviously a rental. So there's a master, 2 secondary bedrooms, and a hallway and a stair. So 5 areas altogether. There's a little soiling here in high traffic area. And we got a spot on there under the bed. Got some matting. And a small master closet. So it's about 10:15. We haven't done video in a while because we've been so slammed with jobs, haven't had time to shoot videos, as silly as that sounds. So we'll get this one knocked out for you and run the after video in just a moment. Alright, about 11 o'clock. Just wrapped up this 10 o'clock job. Everything did not come out. I wasn't expecting it to. That's addressed in training. I did explain all that to the customer beforehand, that some of these spots may be stains and not spots. Black spot there came out in the corner. I think these were people from India, because it smells like curry in here. And that looks like the kind of stuff they use to paint on their hands or whatever that is. That's lightened up quite a bit. That bleach spot is still there. Hallway looks good. Master looks good. Closet was fine. The spot over here, the far side of the bed, came out about 90%. It actually looks better in person than it does on camera. It's hardly noticeable if you're just looking at it, but the camera kind of brings it out or something. But again, let's see, there was probably a dozen spots or so. With OMG, there's no per spot fees, no upsells. You're charged what you're quoted, or your carpet cleaning is free. A lot of people are concerned. They usually call when they have spots, not as a general cleaning like they should. So that's the great thing about OMG is you're going to pay exactly what we're quoted, or your carpet cleaning is free. Whereas with a lot of carpet cleaners, at least here in the Atlanta area, there's per spot fees, there's trip charges, upsells, scotch guards, all those kind of things. We don't do any of that. You pay what you're quoted, and there's, it's what we call a pricing guarantee, which a lot of people obviously like because they're so used to having bait and switch with carpet cleaning. A lot of them don't want to get their carpet cleaned because, they have to negotiate them out of their house, or it's high pressure sales, or, oh, you need this, or, oh, it didn't include that, or you have too many stairs, or the square footage is something different, or, there's always an excuse or a reason. So at OMG, we take the asterisks out of carpet cleaning pricing. We try to be straightforward up front. We address everything on the front end. We want to make sure people are happy. We want happy customers. That's the whole goal. We want to have repeat and referrals, because that's the name of the game. You don't want to clean every house one time. You want to clean a lot of houses every time. So again, this is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, 404-500-9853. or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Yes, there are business opportunities available. Like I said, this was a $200 job. It took us just under an hour. That's not typical. Usually they take an hour and a half or so. And we did use deodorizer in here to help counteract that curry smell, which helps, but sometimes it's in the vents and everywhere else, so you can't kill everything. So again, OMG Floor Care, Mitch. Until next time, be humble, kind. Thanks for watching. Take care, and you'll see me next time. Thanks.